Hi everybody, it's Christy here, the daughter of Scarlett Donaldson, who is the host of this crazy channel here on YouTube, The Far Out World of Coffee Creations. Yep, this channel is all about coffee, not just regular coffee, but all kinds of far out coffee creations that my mom makes up from just her imagination. So, I hope you're ready because she's got a lot of great stories about coffee, taste tests of different coffee flavors, creamer flavors, even some coffee maker demonstrations, and a whole lot more. So, without further ado, let's check out her channel, The Far Out World of Coffee Creations. Well, what are you waiting for? Let's go enjoy a nice hot latte, cappuccino, or maybe a cold frappuccino or iced coffee with my mama Scarlett right now on the Far Out World of Coffee Creations.
Morning haze, crack of dawn, she's brewing a dream. Beans grinding rhythm, sweet and smooth like whipped cream. Espresso shots, flying crafting wonders unseen. Scarlett's cafe magic, stirring the caffeine scene. Pour it up, steam the cup, life's a rich aroma. Frappuccinos, cappuccinos, feels like home. A craft in every blend, not a coffee clone. A Scarlett's love of Java, warmth in every sip of. Sunset hues, twilight brews in the kitchen's glow. Espresso cascades like a mountain's flow. Bold beans latte, dreams steam rising slow. Scarlett's world of wonder always steals the show. Pour it up, steam the cup, life's a rich aroma. Frappuccinos, cappuccinos, feels like home. A craft in every blend, not a coffee clone. A Scarlett's love of Java, warmth in every sip of. Sip away the worries, let the tension fade. Scarlett's coffee alchemy, elixir homemade. In the cup her passions poured, always custom made. Crafted with sweet care, memories never fade. Mornings glow, rooster crow, baristas take a bow. From macchiato whispers to a mocha vow. Scarlett's joyful journey, magic in the now. Each cup a new adventure, coffee, craft, wow.
Welcome back to the Far Out World of Coffee Creations. Hey guys, guess what? Psycho's in the house.
Are you talking about me?
No, I'm talking about the espresso machine over here.
Good.
Yeah, we got Robin in the house. Haven't seen her since August. She hasn't been out here since August.
A very long time.
Yeah, too long. Anyway, but yeah, this thing is crazy. And wait till Robin sees this grinder.
I'm going to open your grinder now.
She's gonna get a kick out of this.
Ooh, looks like a very bright green.
There I go with green again.
Ooh, it is. It's like a lime green.
Ooh.
Highlighter green.
Ooh. What kind of green are the feeders? They're a darker, isn't it, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Came with a little brush too to clean it out.
Oh, nice.
Alright. Where are your beans at?
Right down here on the, in this cupboard down here.
Okay.
I never realized how small those were.
The beans?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. They smell really good. Okay.
Whoops.
Alright.
That's a lot, isn't it?
It is. This will last you forever. I bought a bag like this when I had my machine, and I still have the same bag.
Oh,
I use it
wow.
all the time, so it'll last you forever.
Yeah, they had like 4 different flavors. I'm like, That was $17 for that.
17.
Mm-hmm.
That's expensive.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find different. There we go. Coconuts.
The grinder was 14 because the black one was 13, but that one was actually 14. And I was like, I sent you a message. I was like, guess what? What a good laugh. I picked the green one again.
Okay, lid is off. I'm going to take the top. Do you want 1 scoop of beans? It grinds pretty small. We'll start with 1 because it kind of filled it up.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm going to attempt to use it. This one's different than mine. You ready?
Oh, yep.
Grind it a little bit more. Very satisfying. Okay. So, what you do from this point is you take it out of the grinder and put it in the metal canister that goes into the espresso machine. And it has a filter thing in here so that your beans don't come through in the coffee.
Oh, nice.
Over there, storm-wise bad and maybe
Okay.
I'll get
Press them
something.
down.
Woo. That's some strong coffee.
Okay.
Wow.
You want a bigger cup, a smaller cup of coffee? Because what I do is I always fill the coffee cup up I'm drinking out of with however much.
I usually use the bigger ones, but they're filthy. The 2 biggest ones are filthy.
There's a big one right here.
Oh, okay.
But
The
it's
red one.
a thermal mug.
Yeah.
So you could do regular coffee cup. Oh, this big coffee cup is.
Yeah, there's a red one. There should be a red one in there.
Yeah, that's the one I got. Alright, we'll use this one. Fill it in here. Okay, we're just gonna do 2 actually. So maybe 2 shots of espresso. Pour the water in the top. Put the lid on. And I'm gonna click it on.
Ready? Here we go, you guys. See if you can guess what kind of brand this is. This is your challenge.
I am currently on the Hunt ranking list in position 37,676.
Alright, it's getting hot.
I've challenged them. Since you weren't sure what brand it was, I've challenged them.
Well, I'll tell you what brand it is when we're done.
Okay. Right now it's pretty quiet. That won't last long, I'm sure.
It's warming up.
That looks interesting. Feeling much as found in the forest floor. I won't leave it here.
Steaming a whole lot right now. Yeah, just steam back.
It's pretty quiet. Compared to some of them I've heard, they're loud.
There are still 1,313 nights in the dark forest.
So do you want to drink the espresso straight up?
No. I don't do mine black.
Well, we'll do creamer in it, but like,
Yeah.
do you want to add coffee or just do espresso?
Um.
If you do espresso and creamer, it's more like a latte.
Ah. Should I live on the dark side?
You should try it once.
Okay.
Try it once. See if you like it. I
Okay.
like lattes. Because the espresso is what gives you the energy.
Yeah. I've got caramel macchiato. I've got cinnamon toast, and I got my pumpkin spice.
Okay. Which one do you want to do? You want me to surprise you and see if you
Yeah.
can taste it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then my sugar's
Is
in
only
the.
one kind open?
Huh?
Is only one kind open?
No. Pumpkin spice in the fridge, and then the caramel and the chocolate and the
Okay. I
cinnamon
see, I
toast
see,
is
I
all
see.
in the
Okay.
cupboard. They're all
Alright,
powders.
I'm gonna make you some sort of concoction.
Oh boy.
You're gonna have to tell me what it is. Let's see what can I do here.
Yeah, that one is very quiet. Compared to all my friends are like, that one you're gonna get. It's gonna probably spook you the first time you hear it. Not really. Well, that wasn't standing close to it neither. So. I mean, that one was really quiet compared to the ones I heard.
It was real quiet.
It was quiet.
Let's see.
So I'm going to come in here and sit down while she makes the concoction, and I'm going to try it right on the channel. Ugh. people come in here laughing. They see all these coffee machines everywhere. They'd be like, why do you have so many of them? I love my coffee. I can't help it.
Yeah, don't judge.
Exactly. Yeah, and she made me an iced coffee one day that was really good too. I'll have to get the recipe from that. I definitely need to get ice cube trays though to do it, but.
Alright.
Here it goes.
See if you could guess. I'll give you one hint. It's not just one flavor.
I can tell that. Ooh, yum. I can't tell, actually.
You can't tell?
No.
Let me tell you.
Sure.
It is French vanilla with the cinnamon French toast, and then I put ground cinnamon in it too.
Ooh. Yum.
I added a dash of milk as well, just to cool it down.
Yeah. Now, did anybody figure out what brand that machine was and how quiet it was? If not, you will find out on the next episode. Yep, I'm going to give you a chance to figure it out. And then on the next one, when I pause this, on the next episode, I will tell you. So, yeah. Having a latte in the afternoon. How about that? Honestly, I needed that this morning after the incident today. Karaoke track haunted me again. But anyway, thanks for joining us here on the Far Out World of Coffee Creations, and we'll be back with more taste tests and more craziness later on.
In a small town kitchen down a gravel road, Scarlett stirs her passion in the morning glow. Mornings start with laughter, mugs are overflowing, love and joy in every cup, every heart she's owed. She grinds the beans at sunrise, sunlight in her eyes, creates a brew so perfect like Tennessee skies. From cappuccinos creamy to espressos bold, every sip a story, every cup a gold. Scarlett's Brew, a wonderland, bringing joy to everyone, cup in hand. With each gentle pour, she fills our days. Her kitchen's magic in so many ways. Friends gather round the counter, waiting for their turn. She knows just what they need without a word discerned. She serves it up with kindness, warmth in every sip. In Scarlett's little kitchen, love's a steady drip. From frothy latte swirl to caramel Her creations sing a melody, life's simple tree. With a heart of gold and skill unmatched, Scarlett's coffee brings us all joy that's deeply latched. Scarlett's brew, a wonderland, bringing joy to everyone, cup in hand. With each gentle pour, she fills our days. Her kitchen's magic in so many ways. Scarlett's brew, a wonderland, bringing joy to everyone, cup in hand. With each gentle pour, she fills our days. Her kitchen's magic in so many ways.